Today's topic is hardware. Hardware refers to all the physical components of a computer. It includes all input devices, processing devices, storage devices, and output devices. The keyboard, mouse, motherboard, monitor, hard disk, cables, and printers are all examples of hardware. जैसा कि आप पहले से जानते हैं, कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर physical components of a computer is called computer hardware, such as input devices, processing devices, storage devices, and output devices. Keyboard, mouse, motherboard, monitor, hard disk, cable, printers are examples of computer hardware. ये सारे कंप्यूटर हार्डवेयर के एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. Next, you use hardware to provide input to a computer and also to get the desired output. हार्डवेयर इनपुट प्रोवाइड करता है आपके कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को एंड कंप्यूटर सिस्टम प्रोसेस देम एंड send to the output unit like monitor, printer. For example, when you play a musical instrument such as piano, you provide input by pressing the keys and get the desired output in the form of music. Similarly, computer also need and input and output devices to perform tasks. Apart from input and output devices, a computer uses processing devices to work on the input and generate the desired output. The most important processing device is Central Processing Unit (CPU). The CPU is the brain of the computer. It processes the input to perform calculation and produce output. Some examples are given there. When you play a musical instrument such as piano, you provide input by pressing the keys. पियानो में आप इनपुट प्रोवाइड करते हैं उसके की को प्रेस करके. Same as in computer systems, you give input with the help of keyboard and mouse by pressing keys from a keyboard. After that, processor process them and give output or result to output unit like monitor or printer. CPU process them all the given inputs. As you know that CPU is also called a brain of computer. Next important hardware devices of a computer is a motherboard. A motherboard is a large circuit board that connects input, output and processing devices. The motherboard circuits provide pathways that allow data to pass through these various components. It also contains chips that determine how, when and where data can flow through the computer. Depending on the task that you want your computer to perform, you can choose the appropriate hardware. You can also use expansion cards such as video card to add new features or enhance the performance of computer. All these devices are plugged into the motherboard. Motherboard is a large circuit board that connects input, output and processing. हमारे कंप्यूटर में मदरबोर्ड एक लार्ज सर्किट बोर्ड होता है जो आपके सीपीयू के अंदर होता है, और जितने भी डिवाइसेज होते हैं विद इन अ सीपीयू, मदरबोर्ड, हार्ड डिस्क, सीडी रोम एंड keyboard, mouse that we attached externally, all are connected to computers motherboard. ये सारे कनेक्टेड होते हैं आपके कंप्यूटर्स मदरबोर्ड. सारे डिवाइसेज लाइक इनपुट डिवाइसेज, आउटपुट डिवाइसेज and processing device, also processor are inbuilt motherboards. जो हमारा प्रोसेसर है सीपीयू, ये मदरबोर्ड के ऊपर अटैच्ड होता है, and it play a important role when you attach any पेरिफेरल डिवाइसेस टू योर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. जब आप बाहर से कोई भी डिवाइस अपने कंप्यूटर में अटैच करते हैं लाइक प्रिंटर, स्पीकर, तो ये सारे अटैच्ड होते हैं आपके कंप्यूटर के मदरबोर्ड से. नेक्स्ट इम्पोर्टेंट सॉफ्टवेयर्स इज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. In addition to hardware, a computer needs software to function. Software sends instruction to the hardware to perform necessary tasks. The most important software on the computer is the operating system, which control and manage the hardware connected to your computer. The operating system provides an interface that helps you to interact with the computer. Some examples of operating system is Windows, Linux, Android. A user interface can be either text-based or graphics-based. Most operating systems provide a graphical user interface (GUI), which display image and picture that allow you to interact with a computer easily. As you all are aware that operating systems are most important softwares of our computer system, which provide an interface between computer hardware and user. It also manages and coordinates all the devices and softwares that install on our computer system. Some popular operating systems are Windows, Linux, Unix, DOS, Android. ये सारे पॉपुलर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम्स. हम लोग जो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज करते हैं अपने कंप्यूटर लैब में, ये विंडोज़ 10 और विंडोज़ 8 है. विंडोज़ आर वेरी पॉपुलर बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स फीचर्स GUI, ग्राफिकल यूजर इंटरफेस. That's all about the topics. All students read all the discussed topic very carefully, and if you have any doubts regarding any topics, then you can ask. Thank you.